going to be setting up the spawn.
What are you going to set up?
The spawn.
The what?
The spawn.
The blind.
Yeah, that's what I said.
The blind.
That's what I said.
We have a Tidewe 360 blind that was sent to Jayden. And we're going to get it. I'm going to let Jayden set it up here. Listen. Hold the bag. We're going to let Jayden set it up so you can see how easy it is.
And we're going to show you how to take it apart too.
All right, Jayden. Now you're supposed to be able to, on the center, just pop it up real quick. Pop it. Pull it. Pull it. And pull it.
Oh, there's a back too.
Look back too. There's the back. The other side. Now pull this side.
This side has a side. Is there a bottom? Okay.
Now this.
Has a window.
Like I say, this is a Tidewe 360. 360. You can't see in it. You can't see in it at all. Now, Jayden, get inside. Now jump around. You can hear him, but you can't see him.
Take my fingers off the bottom.
And this has the full door. So it's easy to get in. And then when you get inside, you have a top window. You have a top window with quad zippers. You have side windows. So you have.
And I can't see you.
You have 3, 6, you have 9 windows on 3 sides, and then you have a big window in the back. All right, unzip it. And then you have a blackout. You have a blackout back for the side that opens up. You can put this, hang this on the inside, and then you can't see out the back. The sun's shining. You have stakes to hook it to the ground. And then you have 4. You have 4 corner straps.
Do these windows open?
On the inside. So there you have it.
There you got it.
Light, easy to move, easy to set up. Then once you're done hunting, push in on it. Just push in. Now go to the other side, push in. Now go to the other side. One more.
There you have it. Put your head in.
Push down on the top. Shorter.
Not short. Got it. See how hard that was? If you grab it on him.
Take care of it.